man, here we go. We have the AE2 in the Core Black colorway, which for me was the one that I absolutely had to have. Now, the first couple colorways, they were different, but they didn't really scream, hey, Mario, go pick them up. They didn't do that for me. But these right here, bro, I'm gonna tell you right now, these are sick. I'm so glad that I actually waited to actually try these on, get these in the lab, man, and see what they actually feel like. Now, I did have the AE1s, right? Loved them. Took them on vacation last year at Disneyland, wore them the entire time and had no issues, no feet pain, no none of that. This was an all-day wear for me. I don't hoop, but for comfort and all-day purposes, the AE1, those was it for me. Now the AE2s, solid work. These have the Adidas propulsion plate right here, right? They have that X technology right there, and that propulsion plate actually gives you that lift that you actually need in the sneaker. Now for me, again, it's not all about hooping, it's more about comfort, day-to-day walking around, right? We got the articulated fangs here. I love the way that it accentuates the shoe, man. Look at that. It kind of reminds me of a Kobe almost. And like here with the carbon fiber plates here on the back, if you look at this shoe just like this, it kind of reminds me of a Giannis too. With that backward swoosh on the back of the shoe, it kind of reminds me of the Giannis too. But that's neither here nor there. With the articulated fangs here, these actually serve a purpose, right? These offer lockdown and containment, again, more so for hoopers versus day-to-day use, but these do translate very well to a casual sneaker. Why? Because they are super light. Now, the third feature of these is the Light Boost X Light Strike technology is what they have in them. You got light boost in here and light strike cushion that offers your feet that kind of wearability where it's not too stiff, it's not too squishy, it's just right so you can stay in these all day long. Will I take these and wear these all day long when I go on another Disney gallivant around Orlando? Probably, and I'll report back and let you know whether these are it. But for the time that I did wear these, bro, sick. These are absolutely sick. Now, again, do they follow or continue the hype of the AE1? Not so much, because they are for more they're available. I wouldn't say that they're sitting, because I really don't like that term, but they are available. And with it being the holiday season, a lot of sneakers are available. So that's really not saying anything negative when we talk about the AE2s. I actually prefer the AE2s over the AE1s. Number one, they're lighter. Number two, I love the design, especially with the fangs here. I absolutely love that. I don't buy a lot of Adidas sneakers, so they have to be something special when I buy Adidas sneakers. These are definitely something special. Now they do come with another pair of laces, the red laces that actually go in here. I don't know if I'm gonna put these in there or not. I feel like I need to, just because that red is gonna make it pop, because right now you only have two hits of red, 1 and 2, and obviously on the outsole here. But you got the AE logo here, in Adidas here, and then you got the AE logo on the plate on the bottom right there in that red. So I feel like these laces may make it pop, but bruh, these right here are something serious, man. And yeah, I'm gonna get them out on the court. I don't hoop though. I'm gonna do a walk. I'm gonna go do a whole walk around Disney for about maybe 6 hours or so. And then I'll report back and let you know if these are all day wear. But for right now, initial thoughts and impressions, man, the AE2 for me, I like better than the AE1. And I know some people might disagree with that. If you do, hit me in the comment section, bruh. Let me know what you think of the AE2, especially in this Core Black colorway. I'm your boy Money Matt. I'm gonna get on out of here and go do something important with the rest of my day, as you should as well. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button on your way out. We're trying to get out of YouTube purgatory, man. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.